Previously on my Letchworth State Park Adventure, we visited several locations within the breathtaking gorge, including Lower Falls, which offered a mellow hike through the wilderness with views of the Genesee River, the Visitor Center, as well as Inspiration Point, which provides a panoramic view of the Middle Falls, as well as the Glen Iris Inn from a distance. Today we will begin with a short walkthrough of the Letchworth Museum. Okay, this is the William Pryor Letchworth Museum. Very beautiful building. Oh, they're tools. Let's see. Look at that. Jeez, look at the carving.
Artifacts, how beautiful.
These little Native American shoes. Other objects here. Looks like there's some custom bracelets too, Native American. Wow. Look at that. Out of bones they carved. Look at that, different tools. Like almost like drill bits.
They were like sewing needles is what they were.
Yeah. Oh, look at those projectile points up there, arrow tips. It's really cool.
There's the Indians that were here.
Nice. Alright. Alright, so this was the visitor center here. The nice historic museum. Alright, there's Mr. Letchworth himself. Kind of reminds me of Abraham Lincoln a little bit.
Yeah. They Quaker look.
Very, very cool building though. Oh, look at these little scale models of the Native American homes. Look at that. They like surrounded themselves with trees and twigs or stuff like that. Look at that. Very cool. Some old uniforms. Well, that's a nice chest. Jeez. This is called, it says a stereotype machine. What is that? Oh, it allows the blind to read and write. That's pretty cool. What do you think, Dad, so far?
It's beautiful. Nice and clean. Yeah.
So basically, when was Letchworth State Park first established?
He purchased the land in 1859
Okay.
as a summer home originally, but then when he retired, he moved here and lived here permanently.
Okay. And how big is the park?
The park is 17,350 acres.
Oh, wow. That's how many waterfalls are here?
3.
3 waterfalls. Okay. And
There's a bunch of little ones. When it rains a lot, you'll see in different places. But
right, depending on the time of year.
Right.
After a heavy rainfall.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what types of animal species can be found here?
Oh, well, there is bear,
Bear. Okay.
raccoons, all your rattlesnakes, black snake, all your normal
Okay.
moles, mice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any bald eagles or
Yes.
really? Okay.
Yeah, turkey vultures and
That's awesome. Well, thank you for all your help. What is your name, ma'am?
Marjorie Stone.
All right. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay, we are now traveling to the Middle and Upper Falls. This is beautiful. And off to my left, this is the Glen Inn. So if you want to come here and grab a bite to eat or stay, this is a great location to stay. Very old-fashioned.
This is the Middle Falls, and it just keeps getting better.
Alright guys, so we are about to travel to the upper falls here at Letchworth State Park. It's our final destination. And we just had lunch actually at the Glen Inn. So if you're in this park, definitely stop at the Glen Inn for a bite to eat. Alright, we have made it, guys. Thank you for watching my final installment in my Letchworth State Park travel series. I hope to return to this world-renowned park during the peak of fall foliage to capture some new adventures. Until then, have a great day.